Yeah, they can't have a white baseball cap on at the time. But they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light blonde hair, light brown hair. We had a mustache.
Hello my lovelies, it's Odette and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for coming in today for another video. Thank you for watching. This is a skincare and beauty channel. I'm all about skincare and I thank you so much for being here today. Welcome to my brand new subscribers. I know a lot of you came across from TikTok, and of course if you're not following me on TikTok, you are missing out because I upload videos on TikTok every single day. So things that you do not see here on my channel, you will find them either on TikTok or on my website. And so in today's video, as you can tell from the title, this is a PR package unboxing, and this is from Oscar Charles. And I'm so happy that they have sent me these products to test. And they are on Instagram, and they were looking for people to test their skincare products because now they are branching off into skincare. And many of you know that in the past, Oscar Charles had they were known for their brushes, and I think their brush quality is so good. Now, before we get into the PR package, these are the brush set that I purchased from Oscar Charles. I was living in London at the time, and this was 2018. It was a 17-piece brush set, so you get 15 brushes. It came with a beauty blender and a brush cleaner. And these are the brushes right here. The brushes are in fine shape, not a wrinkle, not a crinkle. They are not falling apart. The brushes are so nice and smooth. Powder brushes, blender brushes, powder brushes, highlighter brushes, brushes for your eyeshadows, for your eyeliners. 17 pieces. I mean, the brush set is, I mean, when I talk about quality brushes, I am not joking. And I remember one of my lovely subscribers, Simply Demi, she had won one of the giveaways. I had ordered two. I was living in London at the time. I kept a set to myself, and I had sent her a set, and I'm not quite sure she still have them. But these brushes I've had in my system, in my collection since 2018. We are now 2025, and these brushes, I mean, if you can put your fingers through my camera and feel these brushes, good quality brushes. They are not shaking. They are not, they look like absolutely brand new, and I have used these brushes. I have washed them so many times. I don't soak my brushes in water for ages and ages and ages. I don't do that. I simply use some shampoo, conditioner, and wash the brushes only, because I think when you soak your brushes in water, it loosens the glue and the handles start to shake. These brushes are in top condition, and this is one of the reasons why I thought, you know what, yes, I'm going to accept the invitation to test their skincare products, because I know their brushes are in good quality. Again, 2018, I've had these brushes, and again, I'm telling you, the quality of these brushes are amazing. The handles are not shaking, and I've washed, again, like I've washed these so many times. And of course, they are now branched off into skincare, and they did send me a PR package right here, which I was really, really happy to do. And on Instagram, they were asking for people to test their skincare products. And of course, because I am into skincare, I was told, I was absolutely and wonderfully so pleased and so thrilled that I was actually selected. And it came in a lovely package right here that says Oscar Charles. And in here, they sent me two products. Now, this is the Advanced Anti-Aging Serum. It's wrinkle reducing, improves your skin tone, and this is the Restorative Eye Cream. So I've not tried these products yet. Again, this is just the unboxing today, and I haven't seen the packaging yet, what it looks like. So we're gonna just open this up right now, and here it be. Okay, let me bring that close so you guys can see, from Oscar Charles. And again, this is Advanced Anti-Aging Serum. And so I'm not wearing any makeup on my face today. I don't have anything on my face, so we're just going to test this out right now. So I'm just going to open this up right now. You just have to twist the top, and I'm going to put a few pumps of this on my hand. Okay, and I don't think it has maybe a very, very slight scent to it. Now again, this is an anti-aging serum and it reduces wrinkles, okay? So we're just going to put a little bit of this on my face. Oh yeah, it smells really nice. It smells exactly the way a serum should smell. So for my first impression, it feels really good on my skin. But normally when I start using a skincare product, I like to use it for about a good maybe 3 weeks or so, just to see if there's going to be any difference on my skin, and then I'm going to actually give my my final thoughts. But it feels really good on, very, very, very soft on the skin. And of course, we know the serums always goes on first. It feels, oh my God, it feels amazing. It feels so good. And it is not a sticky serum at all. It feels so nice, but this is just my first time putting this on my skin right now. Again, it feels really good. A little bit of a glow, which is fine. And I do like it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using this every single day for about 3 weeks, just to see what my skin is going to tell me about this. Because sometimes, you know, when you start using new products, your skin can have a reaction. Normally I do a patch test, but I just put this all over my face today. And again, it's wrinkle reducing, multi protection with vitamin enriched serum. And again, this is the package right here. It has a beautiful, beautiful scent to it. It smells so nice. And again, very, very soft. It's not greasy or anything like that. It feels really good on the skin. And this is the Restorative Eye Cream. And so we're just going to open this up right now. I have a feeling I'm going to really like this product because, you know, the brush quality is really good. And of course, you know, they obviously will be coming out with really good skincare products. And this is the Restorative Eye Cream right here. Hope you guys can see that. And again, using this for the first time. So I'm just going to put a little bit in the back of my hands, just like so. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a brush. Let me just see first of all. I can't smell anything. So I'm just going to take a brush and just apply this under my eyes. Just like so. Helps to reduce all the wrinkles under the eyes. And I'm just going to take my hands, I'm just going to pat that in, just like so. Just pat it in nicely. And of course, I always like to massage my eye cream from the center of my eyes and then all the way up. Just like so. Now that feels really good. And this is the eye serum. This feels so good on my eyes. It's the Restorative Eye Cream. And again, here is the packaging. I'm going to leave these in the description box for you guys. So like I said, I'm going to be testing these products out for at least, I would say maybe 3 weeks or so. And the early part of of June, I'm gonna definitely come back and show you guys, give you guys my thoughts on that. But in the meantime, so I do have the serum on my face. I'm just gonna go in with my powder. And this is the number 340 from Maybelline. So this is my Maybelline powder foundation. As you can see, this is ready to be panned. And this is a perfect shade. And the only thing about this is that it has a lot of flyaway. But I mean, that's okay. So I'm always blowing on it. So we're just gonna put the powder on top. And my face feels so mattifying right now. It feels really good. And if you have a chance to pick up the brushes from Oscar Charles, please do that, because you will not regret buying these brushes, because the quality of the brushes are really good. Oh my God, I love this powder. So we're just gonna go in with just a little bit of this just to balance my face out. Just gonna go up into my hairline. And there we go. That feels really good. So I just want to go in with just a lipstick right now, just to do something, you know, with my face. And this lip pencil is from NYX. I'm going to leave the name of this down below for you. And I'm just gonna go in with one of my lip liners from MAC. I'm just trying to find one of them. So I'm gonna go in with Nightmoth. So we're just going to sharpen this just a little. I do like this combination. So I really do like this lip combo. This is really nice. And again, this jumbo pencil, I've had this jumbo pencil in my collection for such a long time. I'm going to leave the name of this down below for you guys. Okay, so first impression from the anti-aging serum and the eye cream. So far, so good. I've used them, as you can see, for the first time today. They feel really good on the skin because I know some serums make your skin feels really tight. This doesn't do that, but this is just the first time using it. So I'm not going to give you guys 100% review right now because it's the first time I'm using it. Just make sure you hear that. And so far so good, but I'm going to definitely be using these two products in my skincare routine, with my makeup tutorials and all of that, just so you guys can see that I'm actually using these products. And I'm going to give you guys a final thought, let's say the first weekend in June, to let you know how I feel about these. But again, so far so good. Both feels really good. My eyes doesn't feel dry or anything like that, because I know some serums always makes your eye feels really dry as well. But again, like I said, so far so good with these. So I'm going to leave both products in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to get them. And if you have a chance to pick up on the brush set from Oscar Charles, please do. Like I said, I've had this full set since 2018 and they are in fine form. They're not shaking. They look like brand new. Okay, and I thank you guys so much for coming in today. This is the end of the video. Everything we talk about in today's video will be down in the description box for you guys. And thank you so much for coming in, and please come back next week for another video. Toodles.